Okay, hey y'all, to another 1 Minute Wednesday, and this is my last part of my 3-part series into all of the live camera adjustments that you can do on iPhone. So, we left off on the whatever this is called, where you can make stuff square or wider. Yeah, I kind of forget the name. So let's go through our last two, which is going to be live and flash. I know it's another boring one, but yeah. Okay, so live mode. I'm guessing y'all know what that is. Here is a photo with live off, and here is a photo with live on. And with this newest photo, as you can see, it just kind of makes it animated for like a second, kind of like with a GIF, like with a few seconds. And then here we've got flash. Whenever the flash is on, of course you take a photo. Flash is on, auto. Flash isn't on because it's not dark enough. Then off. Well, duh, it's off. So yeah, so thank y'all for joining me on 1 Minute Wednesday. And also, so I'm doing this fundraiser. It is for the ACCF, and what that is a Cancer Care Foundation. For all the people who are loved ones who have had cancer and they've had to spend so much money on it. Well, that's what I'm donating to, and it goes straight to those people to just help them out with cancer. And also they do treatments too, so it will show you on the site how much money has been raised for both of those things. So 1 subscriber equals $1. It's free. So yeah, see y'all in the next one. Bye!